Hi, I'm Corey Chambers, your friend and your real estate broker, serving all of California. Today we're talking about TikTok, the search engine for the next generation. Once upon a time, Google was the undisputed king of internet searches. If you needed a recipe, a do-it-yourself tutorial, or the latest sneaker trends, you'd head straight to Google. Well, fast forward to 2025, and the younger generation has completely rewritten the rulebook. Enter TikTok, the search engine of Gen Z and beyond. Marketers once thought SEO, now think TikTok. Yes, you read that right. TikTok is no longer just about viral dance trends and lip sync battles. It has become the go-to search engine for millions, whether they're looking for the best brunch shops in LA, investment tips, or even breaking news. Young users are typing their queries into TikTok's search bar instead of Google's. In fact, TikTok has now become the primary news source for many younger users who rely on short-form videos to stay informed about world events, politics, and pop culture. Why TikTok is winning the search war? The appeal of TikTok as a search engine boils down to three key elements: speed, authenticity, and engagement. Traditional search engines might give you pages of links to sift through, but TikTok delivers a bite-sized, visually engaging answer in seconds. Instead of reading the long blog post, you get a creator breaking down the information in a quick, digestible video. Speed. TikTok delivers immediate, real-world advice. Looking for the best skincare or for dry skin? Instead of sifting through endless blog posts, a dermatologist gives you the top 3 products in under 30 seconds. Authenticity. Unlike staged articles or generic product descriptions, TikTok reviews come from real people who have actually used the product or experienced the service. Engagement. TikTok's content is interactive. You can ask follow-up questions in the comments, get personalized recommendations, and even see real-time demonstrations. Real-time news. Young users are turning to TikTok for breaking news updates, often before traditional media outlets even publish their reports. Whether it's global events, political developments, or trending controversies, TikTok provides fast, digestible news from a variety of sources, sometimes with first-hand footage from people on the ground. Shopping and e-commerce. TikTok is quickly becoming the go-to destination for product discovery and shopping. Users are searching for products, reading reviews, and clicking links to order directly within the app. TikTok Shop allows brands and influencers to showcase items, making impulse purchases seamless and more engaging than traditional e-commerce. The TikTok algorithm update, the game changer for marketers. With TikTok's latest algorithm update, marketers and content creators need to rethink their entire strategy. This new system prioritizes search-friendly content and changes the way videos get discovered. Here's what you need to know, what you need to do to win on TikTok in 2025. Number 1, SEO is everything. TikTok is now prioritizing content based on search terms. If your video's topic hasn't been searched in the last 72 hours, it won't make it to the FYP For You page. Before you post, check trending keywords and optimize your captions, text overlays, and descriptions accordingly. Longer videos equals better reach. TikTok is pushing 1-minute plus videos to compete with YouTube. A retention rate of 15 to 20 seconds or full watch-throughs will boost your ranking. Green screen content is hot. Videos using the green screen effect are being pushed more because they showcase trending topics, news, and educational content. If you're discussing best AI tools for 2025, make sure your background has a relevant image or web page. Carousel content is the new scroll magnet. TikTok's new carousel feature allows users to scroll through multiple images, increasing video engagement and boosting search rankings. Consistency is key. TikTok rewards frequent posters, but the biggest change, older videos are getting a second chance. Content posted months ago is now resurfacing. Take a look at the whole article at ntar.com.